Great progress has been made in understanding epilepsy, but awareness remains low, and many don't know that 1 in 26 individuals will develop epilepsy in their lifetime.
Even more don't know that people who have seizures are 3 times more likely to die prematurely than the general population, with sudden unexpected death in epilepsy, or SUDEP, being the leading cause of death.
Many deaths in epilepsy patients, whether it be from SUDEP, suicide, accidents, or status epilepticus, might be preventable. But mortality in epilepsy is poorly understood and seldom discussed. It's a public health problem that demands more attention.
There are amazing people in the epilepsy community, individuals and families who are impacted by the disease, healthcare providers, researchers, and advocates. PAMI, or Partners Against Mortality in Epilepsy, was created to bring these different groups together, to forge connections, promote understanding, and encourage collaboration, so one day soon we can prevent epilepsy mortality.
I lost my child Joshua to SUDEP. The heartbreak and the loneliness is hard to overstate. PAMI has helped me to find a community of people who understand my loss. It's also empowered me to get involved, to become a stronger advocate, to speak out, share my story, and work towards a future where no one with epilepsy dies prematurely.
I've been working in the SUDEP field for more than 20 years, but as a neurologist who treats children with epilepsy, the PAMI meeting is so much more than a scientific conference. Getting to see families side by side, talking to researchers doing cutting-edge science, and clinicians who work at the front lines is really, truly inspiring. It always motivates me to go back and do more.
I was diagnosed with epilepsy at 18. The mortality can be a frightening topic to discuss. PAMI has taught me knowledge is the best weapon. We can't prevent what we don't know, so it's critical to learn about SUDEP and the other epilepsy mortalities.
As a researcher, I recognize the importance of meeting with investigators in the field and making connections with healthcare providers, people with epilepsy, and bereaved families. These interactions are very critical to grounding our work and advancing the field.
And this is why PAMI is so important. It's shining a light on critical but neglected issues and bringing people together to drive change. I'm really excited to say that PAMI is now expanding its mission to have a greater impact, because nothing is more important than saving the lives of our loved ones. So please join us, because we're only as strong as we are united.